barber shop for cutting my hair, and yeah, I just stay at home and improve my knowledge about my for interview maybe next month.
All right. I thought that this is new hair, right?
Yeah.
Okay. When did you cut your hair?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Okay. So in a weekend, then you want to go to somewhere, maybe like do you want to try the new sport? Maybe kemarin in the weekend. I mean, on the weekend, you want to try to do badminton or
No,
tennis. Or something. No, just stay at home.
no. Yeah, I'm not doing exercise like sport. Yeah, just stay at home to improve my knowledge about onboard ship.
Okay. Then, as usual, look at these jobs. We learn about the jobs, right? And cross out the word in each group of three does not fit. Maybe it's just a chef, doctor, surfer, right? Flight attendant, pop singer, pilot. Do you know this meaning? Do you know the meaning of these vocabularies? Misal tahu artinya semuanya?
Doctor, saver, hanger, fire, victor,
Vegetarian, lawyer, judge.
bell.
Mhm. Okay. All right. Like example is for B, yeah. Tell your partner why answer you choose do not fit. For example, a doctor works in hospital, but a chef and server work in restaurant. Jadi tiga tersebut itu nggak cocok. Yang mana nggak cocok? Yang nggak cocoknya adalah chef. Karena misalnya chef apa, chef dan server itu dia kerjanya di restoran. Maka yang nggak cocok itu dia dokter karena itu dokternya ada di rumah sakit. Begitu. Ya. You know it? Based on that one. So, flight attendant, pop singer, and pilot. What do you think? Which one is not fixed? Nggak masuk.
Yeah.
Di antara tiga itu yang mana? Yang mana?
Computer program. Bellboy, receptionist. Office worker, computer program, musician.
No. Start from flight attendant, pop singer, and pilot first.
Oh.
Kan tadi kan kita udah paham ya, cukup paham ya. Gini.
Ya.
Tiga pekerjaan ini yang nggak cocok, yang mana? Gitu.
Yang nggak cocok.
Satu pasti nggak. Iya, that's not fit. Kayak gini. Yang tadi saya contohin ya, chef and server in restoran, tapi dokter in hospital, makanya dokter nggak cocok di situ.
Oh ya.
So, flight attendant, pop singer, and pilot.
Flight attendant, pop singer, and pilot. Flight attendant and pilot. Maybe fit because flight attendant and pilot work in the airport, but pop singer. Yeah, but flight attendant, pilot, and pop singer. I think the pop singer is different because the pop singer focus to the sing to the event like the media like TV or live streaming in the other.
Yes.
Firefighter, police officer, and cashier. Firefighter and cashier.
Cashier.
Yeah, not. I think that's a different job, different work because cashier maybe. Huh?
What is firefighter? Do you know what is firefighter?
Firefighter, yeah, I know. Pemadam,
Pemadam kebakaran, right?
right?
Ah, actually, yang not fit itu cashier, sir.
Yeah, cashier because cashier maybe work in the restaurant,
But
the
firefighter and police
uh,
officer,
what?
ya, yang nggak cocok kan cashier.
Yeah, cashier.
Iya kan?
Yeah,
Soalnya
that's different.
firefighter and police officer itu collaborate nantinya.
Yeah,
Kalau
yeah.
ada baca
Oh,
bener kan?
iya
Nah,
benar.
jadi tiga pekerjaan ini pasti ada satu yang nggak cocok. Maksudnya satu tuh nggak
Oh,
nyambung.
iya.
Ya kan? Next.
Yeah, because cashier maybe work in the restaurant, in the hypermarket, supermarket, and about the firefighter and police officer. That's work. They are working at when the around us where accident or problem.
Yes.
Okay, next office worker, computer program, musician. Yeah, I think different does not fit. Yeah, musician. Yeah, because musician, yeah, like a singer that they are they have because office worker or computer program they work at the office different than musician they work in the media like a TV because musician is showing the skill about music, singing, and yeah, bellboy, next bellboy, receptionist, and astronaut. Bellboy. What the meaning bellboy? Bellboy. What is that?
Bellboy in restaurant, no, in what is that? In hotel. Kayaknya yang ini yang
Oh yeah.
nah, itu namanya bellboy. Bukan penjaga sih.
Hey,
Iya,
yeah.
yang memberikan pelayanan kayak nganterin barang dan sebagainya.
Bellboy and receptionist, yeah. I think that job maybe in one place to work. But astronaut is different because astronaut for going to the sky, the other planet like Moon or Mars. That is more different from the bellboy and receptionist. Judge, veterinarian, lawyer. Judge, ini apa?
Judge.
Don't judge me.
Judge. Hakim.
Iya, hakim. Oh, hakim,
lawyer.
judge.
Kalau lawyer kan pengacara ya.
Lawyer pengacara. What do you mean? Veterinarian. Yeah, what is that? Veterinarian. Ya.
Itu dokter hewan.
Oh, Dr. Hewan. Yeah. Um,
Okay. Which
I
one
think
is it?
that, yeah, that veterinarian is not fit with the judge and lawyer, because judge and lawyer work same in the government, like judge and lawyer, but veterinarian maybe mm, he work in the clinic, animals clinic or hospital. And the other, yeah, I think veterinarian is more different from judge
Okay, good.
and lawyer.
Wow, perfect ya. Nice. Right now, ya. Jadi ketika speaking itu nanti nggak harus bilang berdasarkan ini, misalnya kayak work in restaurant, tapi bisa juga maybe the job ya, like the job is
Yeah,
different. Example, ya.
yeah.
Firefighter and police officer to tackle the disaster gitu, untuk mengatasi bencana. But cashier just count the money from like customer and so on. Gitu. Jadi
Hmm.
kayak nggak mesti harus kerjanya di mana, tapi juga pekerjaannya itu ngakunya gimana. Might be firefighter and police officer they can do can collaborate together gitu. But cashier is not fixed kayak gitu. Jadi nggak cocok kalau collaborate together. Gitu. Jadi dikombin juga dengan hal-hal yang lain. Jadi nggak mesti tentang tempatnya aja, tapi juga pekerjaannya seperti apa. But it's so good ya. Then please listen this conversation.
Lesson 14. I'd have to have page 34. Conversation. A. Listen. What kind of business does Katie want to start? What does she need?
I want to start my own business after I graduate.
Really?
I just need to have some money to get started, and I need to have a fresh idea.
Do you have any ideas?
I'd like to sell healthy lunches to people in offices, things like sandwiches and salads.
Do you think it would be difficult to get started?
Well, I would need a good kitchen, but I wouldn't have to have a car. I could use a bicycle.
Good idea.
Say, I'm looking for a business partner. Are you interested?
Okay. Oke, coba kita bareng-bareng ya. I'm ask Katie first. I want to start my own business after I graduate.
Really?
I just need to have some money to get started, and I need to have a fresh idea.
Do you have any ideas?
I'd like to sell healthy lunches to people in offices. Things like sandwiches and salads.
Do you think it would be difficult to get started?
Well, I would need a good kitchen, but I wouldn't have to have a car. I could use a bicycle.
Good idea.
Say, I'm looking for a business partner. Are you interested?
No.
Okay, who's doing it? No, you didn't. You first ya. Silakan duluan
No.
saya.
I want to start my own business after I graduate.
Really?
I just need to have some money to get started, and I need to have a fresh idea.
Do you have any ideas?
I'd like to sell healthy lunch to people in offices. Things
Offices.
like things like
Sandwiches.
sandwiches and salads.
Do you think it would be difficult to get started?
Well, I would need a good kitchen, but I wouldn't,
I wouldn't.
I wouldn't have to have a car. I could use a bicycle.
I could use bicycle.
I could, I could use a bicycle.
Good idea.
Say, I'm looking for a business partner. Are you interested? Are you interested?
You said that no, right? Okay. So, uh, alright, now please change really ya. Jadi yang biru kita ganti dengan biru ya. Please to change the blue and green words above with the words below and practice it again.
Okay.
I'm going first. I want to start my own business after I graduate.
That's fantastic.
I just need to have some money to get started, and a fresh idea is really important.
Do you have any ideas?
I like to sell healthy lunches to people in offices, things like sandwiches and salads.
Would it be hard to get started?
Well, I would need a good kitchen, but I wouldn't have to have a car. I could use a bicycle.
Good idea. Good idea.
Say I'm looking for a business partner. What do you say? Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Nah, expressing necessity ya kan? Expressing necessity itu kita akan masuk nih bahwasanya menjelaskan tentang keperluan ya kan? Keinginan atau kebutuhan. In business, you need to take a risk. Dalam bisnis, kamu perlu untuk mengambil resiko. I would need a good kitchen. Saya akan perlu dapur yang bagus gitu. I'd have to have some money. Saya harus memiliki uang. Of course ya, semua orang ini ya. Kalau nggak ada uang nggak makan ya, sir. Nggak cukup cuma Cina doang ya, sir.
Ya, betul sekali.
Ya, I'd need to have a fresh idea. Saya perlu memiliki ide yang bagus. Kita bukan ide yang segar ya, kalau segar untuk ikan ya. I must come on time. Saya harus datang terlambat. Enggak datang tepat waktu ya.
Ya.
Oke. Expressing lack of necessity, menyatakan ketidakperluan gitu ya. Kayak you don't need to have a car. Kamu tidak perlu memiliki mobil gitu kan. I wouldn't need to have an office. Gitu. I wouldn't have to have an office gitu dan sebagainya. Ya. I don't have to cook things myself. Next, I don't have to wear suit. Oke, sekarang saatnya untuk Mister buat sebuah ungkapan tapi melibatkan ya, plus melibatkan expressing necessity sama expressing lack of necessity. Boleh dimulai?
Oke.
Tapi jangan menggunakan in business gitu, enggak. Ini aja diubah tapi misalnya you need to jadi I would never, I would need gitu. Bisa dipahami, Sir?
Bisa.
Bikin contoh sendiri. Yang example.
I would need a good.
Hah? Apa?
I would need gitu kan? I would need a good house. Contohnya kayak gitu.
Oke. Yang di awal in business atau in apa?
Oh ya, in business. In business you need to take. Oh iya.
Dari awal, Sir. Nggak mesti harus in business, boleh. I give you example. For example tuh in house you need to clean your room. atau di rumahmu kamu harus membersihkan kamar gitu. Terserah. Come on.
In office you need to cleaning service.
You need to cleaning service. Nah, tapi dia harus verb 1. You need to apa gitu. Kayak tadi saya bilang nih, in house you need to clean your room. Di rumah kamu harus membersihkan ruangan kayak gitu. Jadi itu bukan verb ing tapi verb 1 aja. Coba. Boleh in office, boleh in kantin, di mana aja boleh.
In office you need to computer.
Komputer maksudnya?
Computer.
Itu komputer apa maksudnya?
Apa?
Komputer
In office you need to.
verb, kata kerja, bukan kata benda.
Kata kerja.
Iya. Perhatikan pola kalimatnya, Sir. Sekali lagi saya jelasin lagi nih. In house, di rumah. You need to, kamu perlu untuk apa? Nah, untuk apanya itu harus verb 1. You need to, kayak ini kan dia take, ngambil atau mengambil resiko kan. Kalau saya bilang you need to clean, kamu harus membersihkan room kayak gitu. Jadi lang nggak boleh you need to computer, harusnya itu dengan verb 1. Paham?
Oke.
Coba
in office you need to work.
You need to work. Nah, boleh. Di office kamu perlu untuk bekerja. Itu nggak apa-apa. Paham ya?
Okay, sir. I would need a good car, a good motorcycle.
Nggak bisa harus good, boleh juga yang lain. I would need a beautiful girl.
Oh ya.
Ya, jadi kita kalau speaking itu diekspresikan aja nggak masalah. Yang penting ada yang item-item itu diikutin. Need to, would need, I'd have to, I'd need to. Nah, itu nggak apa-apa. Untuk sebelahnya itu diekspresikan juga nggak masalah.
I'd have to I'd have to have big house.
Okay.
A big house.
Saya bisa bilang ini juga, I have to take some apples. Itu bisa juga. Jadi nggak mesti harus pakai have. Yang paling penting itu adalah yang item-itemnya aja.
Yeah.
Jadi saya bilang, mau dikreasikan juga nggak masalah.
Okay.
I had to eat. Yang penting kan masih verb 1. Kayak gini kan, setelah itu verb 1 dia.
Okay, so I need to buy something in the restaurant.
Nah, like that. Need to
You
buy
don't
something in restaurant. Artinya saya
You don't need.
No, yang I must come-nya belum.
Oh iya, I I must go to school every morning.
I must go boleh. Kemudian expressing like-nya.
You don't need
Kamu tidak perlu apa.
You don't need to clean my room. I wouldn't need to.
Enak nih verb 1
I
Sir.
wouldn't need.
Verb 1 tuh banyak.
I wouldn't need.
I wouldn't need to sleep. Banyak.
Yeah, I wouldn't need to exercise every day. I wouldn't have to have much money. I don't have to I don't have to I don't have to.
Yuk, verb 1 tuh banyak Sir, verb 1 dia. Cook itu verb 1. Jadi kamu ganti dengan verb 1 juga Sir. Itu banyak banget.
I don't have to apa ya?
Membawa bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
I don't have to take, bring. I don't have to take your book in my bag.
I don't have to bring, I don't have to wear, banget gitu. Verb 1.
I don't have to use your phone.
Kan bisa tuh dikreasikan ya. Good. Kan perfect. Dilancarin lagi Sir. Okay. Nah,
Okay,
begini. Check terms and expression necessity and lack of necessity for this job. Jadi kita pilih salah satu. Misalnya apa ya? Di sini dia bilang apa sih yang perlu dilakukan sama judge, lawyer, engineer atau receptionist gitu kan. Dia bilang, "Hi, by the way, what would you like to be?" Well, I think I'll be translator. Nah, sebagai translator needs to know many language. Jadi sebagai orang translator itu perlu untuk mengetahui banyak bahasa. Yang nggak perlu apa? And you wouldn't have to have an office. Jadi kamu tidak perlu memiliki sebuah office. Paham ya?
Okay,
Ya, jadi bisa dipahami untuk hal ini. Jadi dipilih satu pekerjaan, apa sih pekerjaan itu yang perlu dilakukan sama yang nggak perlu. Contohnya di translator tadi, gitu. Dia perlu translator needs to know many language. Jadi seorang translator itu harus tahu banyak bahasa gitu. Dan juga apa yang nggak perlu dia you wouldn't have to have an office. Jadi translator itu tidak perlu memiliki office kantor gitu. Kenapa? Karena dia bekerja dimanapun bisa, di rumahnya, dimanapun, di tempat dan sebagainya. Bisa paham, Sir?
Oke, paham, Sir.
Oke. Coba saya kasih waktu dulu ya untuk ini biar benar-benar menjawab, biar bisa lebih luas lagi. Coba dipikirkan kembali, gitu ya. You have to think more, gitu. Translator itu kerjanya ngapain, dia belum ngapain dan sebagainya. Vegetarian itu ngapain dan sebagainya. Saya.
Okay, sir.
I'll give you time, not 6 minutes ya. Finish, sir? No, 2 minutes left ya.
Okay, sir.
2 menit lagi ya, dimaksimalin. Ada HRD, a musician, florist. Okay, finish, sir ya.
Okay, finish.
Okay, if you have finished, we felt that well, if you want to be an astronaut,
Astronaut.
yes, astronaut
An astronaut
needs to
An astronaut is
Okay.
you need to skill.
You need to.
You need to special skill for fly to the other planet, and yeah, you must have a good condition in your psychologist and your body health, and then yeah, I think astronaut is you must have a skill about you must have many skill about astronaut because astronaut not just flying the airplane, but he must spend life on uh, the other planet, the moon.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Apa yang need-nya? Yang don't need-nya apa?
You don't need an astronaut because astronaut is so hard to work, so hard to uh, because astronaut is you must have you don't need to astronaut because if you will know about the other planets, you can see in the TV or YouTube.
Yeah, so far good ya. And you have to make clear apa sih yang sebenarnya nggak perlu dipunyai oleh seorang astronot, dan juga nggak perlu dilakukan oleh yang perlu dilakukan oleh astronot yang biasanya. Jadi kita harus menaksurkan, harus lebih jelas lagi set begitu. Might be for an astronaut like an astronaut needs to know science. Jadi astronot itu perlu banyak mengetahui tentang sains, atau an astronaut yang benar need to know many skills, not only fly but also how to operate the computer. Jadi kayak juga bisa nih bagaimana cara mengoperasikan komputer. And then maybe for an astronaut, you would have to have itu kan nggak perlu di luar ya, kayak you wouldn't have to have artistic material. Kamu nggak perlu harus punya material yang kayak seni kayak gitu, karena kan hubungannya nggak ada. Jadi harus lebih clear. Nah, for me like this, Ryan, if I want to be a chef, I have to know, atau I must know. Jadi yang tadi itu digunakan juga, frasa-frasa yang ini itu digunakan. Jadi saya bisa bilang I must, if I want to be chef, I need atau I must know.
I
must know all of the seasoning. Semua ada pembunuhan. Kan saya harus punya. And I wouldn't have to, atau saya gunakan lagi nih yang sebelahnya tadi. Yang sebelahnya ini kan tadi ini ya. I don't need to, so juga I don't have to. Gitu. Kita sudah bisa bilang I don't have to know about math. Jadi saya tuh nggak pasti harus tahu tentang matematika. Nah, jadi itu jelas apa yang dibutuhkan, apa yang nggak dibutuhkan sebagai seorang chef. Bisa, Sir?
Okay, sir.
Kita coba ya, again. If you want to be an actor, what?
An actor, yeah,
An actor. Yeah.
an actor, yeah.
Actor.
An actor, if you want to be an actor, you need to have a skill about art, and you must can have skill about acting, about all about acting on front in front of a camera. You can not groggy. You need to skill. You need to
Nervous.
many skill. Yeah, you need to many skill for an actor, and then
And a skill.
yeah, many get skill
You need
because
to have
actor
many skill.
yeah you need to have many skill because actor is the world the profession is active active because you need to many skill, many knowledge, and you must have um, you must have some skill about acting in front of camera. Some skill
Some skill apa?
to action in front of camera.
Oke. Yang nggak diperlukan apa tadi?
And
Yang tidak diperlukan.
an actor, you don't need to have skill about like character, healthy maybe, and you don't need to um you don't need to you don't need to
You need to.
and you don't need to have a camera for yourself, and you don't need to about um
Just it.
yeah.
Thank you ya. Ya, you have to harus belajar lagi. That's okay. Nah, next continue ya. For three people are talking student on career day, check the things they say you need to have healthy hair, to be thin, to have a college degree, and so on. Yeah, and this is based on listening. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Bisa dipahami, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen carefully, yeah.
Page 35. Listening. A and B.
First, I want to thank your teacher, Mrs. Perez, for letting me talk to you today about being a model. Now, there are different types of models. For example, there are fashion models and print models. For any type of modeling, you need to have clear skin and healthy hair. You have to look healthy. But you don't have to be thin to be a successful model. If we only think of fashion modeling, yes, it's important. But there are many models that we consider plus size, and these models are more typical of the average person. Finally, you don't have to have a college degree, but I encourage you all to get a degree. A model's career can be short, and you will want to have another set of skills to fall back on.
Hi, everyone. I am a concierge. I work at a hotel and I help guests. I make travel arrangements, give advice on local restaurants, deliver messages, that kind of thing. So if you're interested in a career as a concierge, what skills do you need to have? Well, you need to be friendly. No one wants to talk to an unfriendly concierge. Also, you have to know the area around the hotel or the city. A concierge often gives directions. You don't usually have to work late at night. That's another thing I like about the job, the hours. We mostly work during the day. That's when our guests need us most. Finally, you will notice I am wearing a uniform. You have to wear a uniform, of course. So if you don't want to wear a uniform at your job, this isn't the job for you.
Hello. From what I am wearing, can anyone guess what my job is? No? Well, I'm an architect. There are a lot of things. So many people think we don't need to know about interior design. Not true. We do. And another thing we need to be good at is math. So if you want to be an architect, keep taking those algebra and geometry classes. You also have to be able to work on a team. We work with all kinds of people. Some think architects spend all their time alone. And again, this is not true. That's what I like about my job, working with others. Now, an architect needs a lot of education. And yes, you need a license. It's necessary since architects have to design safe buildings for people to live and work in.
Okay, finish. Sir,
Okay, finish.
hello.
You, sir.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Hello, sir. Hello. Sebentar ya. Hah? Halo, sir.
Okay. Yeah. What need don't need for being model and concierge and architect?
A model.
based on listening. Mm-mm.
A model, you need to have clear
A
skin.
model. Mm-mm.
To have clear skin, and model must have to have healthy hair.
Healthy hair. Mm-mm.
And
And then,
And then um,
that's it.
yeah, you doesn't need to be thin.
You don't need to be
You don't
thin,
need
yeah.
to be thin and to have a college degree.
Yeah, you don't need to have a college degree too. Good. A concert. Then,
Concert. You need to be friendly, and you need to know the area.
mm-mm.
But you don't need to work late at night,
Mm-mm.
and you don't need to. Hey,
You don't need. You need to.
you need to.
Kayaknya nih
You
jawabannya
don't.
adalah you
You
need to wear a
don't need
uniform.
to work. Apa sih?
Oke, sir. Ini tadi kalau dari listeningnya, you need to wear a uniform.
Yeah, you need to wear
Kan you
uniform.
don't need.
You don't need to work late at night.
Ya, cuman satu yang nggak perlu ya. Tapi yang lainnya perlu semua. Need semua. Oke, anak arsitek.
Architect, you need to know interior design, and you need to be good at math.
To be good at math.
Yeah, to be good math. And
And then,
you don't need to be able to work alone. And you need you need to have license.
You need to be work. You need to be able to work alone juga ya.
Yeah, you need to be able to work alone.
Okay. That is that today. What do you think need to start business below? Discuss and write your ideas on piece of paper. Misalnya a comic book store. Kalau mau buka toko komik gitu kan, apa yang harus dimulai dulu dan apa yang nggak harus dilakukan gitu. Habis in your time, please, wait. Tulis satu aja. If you start your business,
Hot cleaner.
Ya, oke. Kuliner mana sir? Kuliner.
House cleaner.
Oh, house cleaner. Okay, thanks.
Yeah, house cleaner.
What we should do? What do you think you start to business below? I'll give you example. Yeah, I'll give example. Actually, I want to try travel agent, so I need to start for that is to find the customer first and promotion and promote my business, like my services and my best price, and then blah 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 kayak gitu. Bisa dipahami sir?
Okay, sir.
Mr. Mirza, aman?
Okay, aman sir. Okay,
Hello?
I change sir. I choose I choose
Mhm. So you can
restaurant.
what do you choose?
Restaurant.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Hello sir.
Yes, sir. What do you choose? Mhm.
Okay, I choose cleaner sir. I need
Mhm.
a house
Well,
cleaner because I always leave my house to work to always leave my house because my business, and in my house I don't have anyone for clean my house. I need to go anywhere. I need to go to anywhere, and I must focus to my business. And yeah, so I need a house cleaner to stay in my home, at my home, and to cleaning my home every day, every time.
okay. Actually, ini kan membuat bisnis ya, sir ya. Jadi perlu diperhatikan lagi. Kalau kita membuat bisnis itu apa yang harus kita lakukan? Karena kita yang ownernya, sir.
Mm,
Nah, di konteksnya. Jadi, kayak misalnya mungkin a house cleaner. Mister harus nyari orang-orang dulu yang mau jadi house cleaner, bener nggak?
benar.
Nah, idenya ke sana berarti berawalnya. Itu idenya. Terus apalagi? Mungkin mulai promosi. Terus apalagi? Mulai apa ya? Menciptakan servis yang baik. Gitu. Nah, itu kan yang harusnya. Itu kayak ide-ide seperti itu yang harus diasah nih dalam speaking. Jadi kayak apa ya? Saya bilang tuh ketika diberikan sebuah challenge atau tantangan itu, misalnya udah mikir kemana nih? Ini dibawa kemana nih speakingnya? So far, ya. So that's it for today. So do you have any questions, sir?
Okay, sir. No.